Is it on? Okay. Yeah, let's go get some awesome footage. You ready? I'm gonna be bigger than Jet after this.
Let's go, man. Let's do it. Let's go.
Where the hell is my team? Same team. Same team. Where's everyone?
You're recording.
Where's everyone?
I don't know. So I think some people are down here. So I don't think nobody's over there. I'm just walking this way because I saw a few guys at the grocery store. Yeah, right there.
All right. Are they in the recruiting center or the market?
The market. What's your channel name?
I don't know. It's my friend. I'm just borrowing it.
I would really like to watch it.
Okay. Hey, cover fire for me. I'm gonna go on the fire. One.
Where?
Just start shooting. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Yo, coming across. Getting some crappy footage. Hey! Where'd he go? Oh, dang! I can't see crap! Walk! Walk! Hurry! Oh, crap. Oh, I do not want to go down that alleyway. There's like 3 people over there.
Alright.
Can't see crap.
I got shot right here and it was just irritating the crap out of me.
Hate these dark lenses.
Alright, buddy? Yeah, I like him. He's got the old Scarface score. Why does it sound like you're trying to do that?
I don't know, there's no crossing. Hey, where are they? What?
You alright, buddy? Alright. Yep. Keep your hand up.
Is that your son?
What?
Is that your son?
I'm 18.
Oh. Not bad.
Old.
Not bad. Hey, you never know these days.
You never know.
Your brother?
No, I just watched it over.
Oh.
I'm under the team. I'm on the.
Are you aces?
Yeah, I'm an ace. And so I was trying to make it my job done.
Oh.
Watch over the little ones. Let me have a good experience.
Yeah.
Maybe the little one will know.
I wish it was bomb out. I could get good footage. This sign scares the crap out of me when they shoot it.
Well, if I go up, I pegged him right in the man.
Yeah, I know.